Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to crochet a ruffle flower. So to get started, you want to chain 20. And out of all the flowers I've made, the ruffle flower is honestly the very easiest flower you can do. It adds that extra little texture to your flower projects or any project you want to add this to. The sky's the limit. All right. So we have our 20 chains, so you want to count back to the 6th chain from the hook and you want to do a double crochet. Alright, and then we will chain 5. And in the next stitch we will do a double crochet. And we will repeat this chain 5 and double crochet until we have 6 loops total. So we'll insert and we will do a double crochet. Alright, so here we have our 6 loops. And we will chain 5. And in the first stitch at the beginning of our work, where we did our first double crochet, we will do a double crochet in there again, looping our work around. There we go. All right, and then what you want to do is find the middle stitch of your flowers, that one right there. And you want to go ahead and just do 1 double crochet into there. And that's it. That's how you do a ruffle flower. What I like to do after I'm done though, when you're fastening off your yarn, so go ahead and snip it and tie your yarn in a knot. Whichever method works best for you. I just kind of do a loop knot method. What I like to do with my ruffle flower is I will take this loose string and I will take my tapestry needle, thread it through, and then I will weave my tapestry needle into the stem of the flower. And I think this provides the stem of the flower a lot more volume, which just kind of makes it look a little better, at least in my opinion. So we'll get this weaved in. Pull through our yarn, and then I'm just going to kind of give everything a stretch to make sure I don't have any bunching in the stem of the flower. And then the beginning tail of the yarn, I'm just going to snip that off. Make sure the knot's still good. And there you have it. That's how you make a ruffle flower. For a lot of projects, I like to make 6 of these and bunch them together, and I think it makes it look really awesome. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like, and I really do hope you have a happy crochet day.